Hello viewers, welcome back to class. Yes, I'm super excited because of the fact that we are going to get another value in this tutorial class. Now, if you are new in this YouTube channel, do consider subscribing to this YouTube channel and ensure you turn on the post notification button for more exciting videos on this YouTube channel. And don't forget to always make your necessary comment, like this video, share this video, like this platform, and ensure you tell your friends and well-wishers, even your enemies, about this platform where mathematics is solved with ease. Now guys, what else do we do? On the board, I have a package for you today. We are going to be looking at expansion. I tagged it expansion of cubic function. Expansion of cubic function. Alright, so what are cubic function? Functions that have power of 3 are cubic function. Now, we looked at expansion of squares, quadratic expression. So we want to quickly look at expansion of cubic question, and I'm going to solve only 2. And I hope with these 2 questions, you will be able to solve more questions on your own. But if at all you cannot solve this, we are asked to expand the following. This is the first. These are 1, 2, 3 brackets. And at the end of the expansion, we are going to have power of 3. S raised to the power 3. Then here we also have 3x plus 2x plus 3 raised to the power of 3. Of course, you know what this means. So let's solve 49 and also solve 50. Okay? Now, question number 49, we have our solution on the board. 49, we have 3x minus 2 into 2x plus 1 into x minus 5. Now, in the expansion of cubic function, all you need to do is to still use the methodology we were using when we were expanding quadratic expression. And what rule were we using? You know, we were multiplying 2 brackets at a time. So if the choice is left for you to either take the first 2 brackets and work with it, or take the last 2 brackets and work with it. So it's a matter of choice. So I can start with the last 2 brackets, or I can start with the first 2 brackets. Whichever case you choose to go with, you will have the same option. But for me, I'm going to go with the first 2 brackets and we solve. Then I will give you an assignment so that you will start solving from the last 2 brackets, then end it up with the first bracket and see whether you are going to have a different answer. I assure you, you are going to have the same result. Alright, now let's go. So the first thing we are going to do now is to work with these first 2 brackets. And how do we have that done? Let's introduce a square bracket. This is 3x minus 2 into 2x plus 1, a square bracket. Then we leave out the third bracket. So we want to work within the brackets, the functions or the term within this square bracket we just introduced. So we are working with the first 2 brackets here, leaving out the third bracket. Alright, the same way somebody can leave out the first and work with the last 2. Are you there? Now in this case, now what do? We are going to use our short method of expansion. Now to expand this, we are going to use this first term to multiply the first term here and also multiply the last term here. So 3x times 2x, guys, we are going to have 6x squared. And 3x times plus 1, we are going to have plus 3x. We are done using the first term to multiply the 2 terms in the last 2 brackets. Are we there? Now we come to the second term in the first bracket to also use it to multiply the 2 terms in the second bracket. So minus 2 times 2x, guys, we are going to have this as minus 4x. And minus 2 times 1, we have minus 2. This is all about this. Then this is x minus 5. Then at this point now, the next thing we are quickly going to do is to check that this and this, they have something in common, right? Yes, they belong to the same family. That means they are common terms. Are you there? So that is to say, I can remove 4x from 3x to give me minus 1x. Then automatically this will have given us 6x squared plus 3x. Sorry now, so 6x, then minus 1x minus 2. All multiplied by what? X minus 5. Then the next thing we are quickly going to do now is to use this bracket to multiply this. Now we have 2 brackets. So we can use the splitting bracket method and the feasting bracket method. Let's quickly use that. So we are going to split this bracket and feast this. So the first term in the bracket we have to split now is x. So we're going to put down x to multiply everything in the first bracket. 6x squared minus x minus 2. Then the next term in the second bracket is minus 5. We are still going to use it to multiply everything in the first bracket. 6x squared minus x minus 2. Now we are going to go. The next thing we do is to what? remove the bracket by multiplying each bracket with their respective multiplication factor. Now, for the first bracket, the multiplication factor here is x, and for the other bracket, the multiplication factor here is minus 5. So we are going to multiply out very shortly. Now, x multiplied by 6x squared, guys, we are going to have 6x cubed. Now, x multiplied by minus x, we are going to have minus x squared. Now, x multiplied by minus 2, we are going to have minus 2x. We are done with the first bracket. Then we'll come to the second bracket. Minus 5 multiplied by 6x squared, guys, we are going to have minus 30x squared. And minus 5 multiplied by minus 1. Now, don't forget, minus times minus is plus. And 5 times x is 5x. Also, minus times minus is plus. And 2 times 5 or 5 times 2 is 10. Now, at this point now, all we just need to do is to see the ones that are like and collate them together. Now, I'm going to have 6x cubed minus x squared minus 30x squared. Then plus 5x minus 2x plus 10 in the order of descending order. So now, the 6x cubed have no second term, so we have put it down. Now, minus s squared minus 30s squared would have given us minus 31s squared, and 5x minus 2x, guys, this would have given us plus 3x plus 10. This is the answer to this very question. Guys, you see that it's very simple. It's the last but not the least. Now, let's look at this question. This question is question number 50. And we have x, and we have this to be 2x plus 3 or cube. Now, I explained in our previous class that if I have s squared, it's the same thing as a times a. If I have a squared, I explained in our previous class that if I have a squared, is a times a. And if I have a cube, guys, it will also be a times a. It means this base will multiply itself 3 times. The same thing is applicable here. So that means 2x plus 3 will multiply itself in 3 times. Now, this will have given us 2x plus 3, open bracket, close bracket, 2x plus 3, open bracket, close bracket, 2x plus 3. So we have this here, which is not different from this. So even though I didn't solve this problem now, I am sure that you can solve it. You see the values you are getting here, they are without limit. Now let's go. At this point, brackets I'm going to work with. So now in this case, for the first case, in question number 49, we worked with the first two. Now we want to work with the last two. So let's work with this first and simplify. Alright? Now at this point, this will have given us 2x plus 3, open bracket. Now we now use the square bracket. 2x plus 3, 2x plus 3. This is what we have. So this square bracket is showing that we have this last two brackets, right? Now at this point, what do we do to multiply out? This first term in the first bracket, we multiply the 2 terms inside the second bracket. So that, guys, this will have given us 2x plus 3, open bracket, 2 times 2x times 2x, guys. This will give us 4x squared. Now 2x times 3, this will give us plus 6x. We are done using the first term here to multiply the 2 terms in the second bracket. Are we there? Now the next thing we are quickly going to do is to use the second term in the first bracket to also multiply the 2 terms in the second bracket. So we are going to have plus 3 times 2x, guys. This will also give us 6x. And plus 3 times 3, this will have given us 9. The next thing we are going to do now is that this and this are like. Are we there? So we can add 6x to 6x to give us 12x. Then we have this as 2x plus 3 into 4x squared plus 6x, so plus 6 plus 12x plus 9. Haven't added 6x to 6x. Now we have gotten this. At this point now, we now need to multiply these two brackets. So we will fix the second bracket and split the first bracket, right? So in the first bracket now, the first term we have there is 2x. So we will put down 2x, open a bracket, which is 4x squared plus 12x plus 9. Are we there? Then we are done using the first term here to multiply every term in the second bracket, right? Then we'll take the second term here now, which is plus 3, to also multiply all the terms here inside the second bracket. So we have x squared plus 12x plus 9. Alright? Yes. Now, what else do we do? We are going to multiply out this bracket. Remove the bracket. And to remove the bracket, we will multiply each of these brackets with their respective multiplication factor. Now, for the first bracket, the multiplication factor is 2, and for the last bracket, the multiplication factor is 3. So, guys, 2x times 4s squared will give us 8s cubed. Yes, will give us 8s cubed. Now, 2x times 12s, guys, will give us plus 24x squared. And 2x times plus 9, that would have given us what? Plus 18x. We are done with the first bracket. Now we come to the second bracket. Now we have the multiplication factor to the last bracket to be 3. Now, 3 times 4s, guys, will have this to be what? 12x squared. And 3 times 12x, this will give us plus 36x. And 3 times 9, guys, this would have given us 27. So the next thing we are quickly going to do is to arrange them according to the power of x. So we'll start by arranging from s cubed down to s squared, s raised to the power 1 till constant term, right? So the s cubed terms here is just 8s cubed. Okay, we can start to put our equal to here, alright? Then plus 24s squared. Then we have another s squared again, which happens to be 12s squared. Then we are done with that. Then plus 18x plus 36x plus 27. This is it. Now the next thing we are quickly going to do, guys, here is to pull down our 8s cubed. Now 24 plus 12, that would have given us 36. So 24s squared plus 12s squared will give us plus 36x squared. We are done with that. Then the next thing we are quickly going to do is to add 18 to 36. Now 36 plus 18, that would have given us 54. So we have plus 54x, then plus 27. At this point, we cannot factorize further. We cannot simplify further. Then we stop at this point. Therefore, 2x plus 3 all cubed is equal to 8s cubed plus 36s squared plus 54x plus 27. Guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel if you have not done so, and ensure you turn on the post notification bell so that anytime we upload mind-blowing content, guys, you will be notified. Ensure you like this current video you just watched and share this video to your friends. Make sure you make your comment at the comment section below. Love you guys. See you in our next class.